Hippity hop, hop, hop. Hey, little bunny. Well, welcome to the month of April. Let's learn together in Miss April's preschool. Today, we're going to learn two things. We're going to learn first, how do you dye an Easter egg? And then we'll talk about something very important. How do you take care of a rabbit? It's very important to take care of our pets. Well, let's talk about eggs first. How do you decorate an egg for fun so we can hide them? April is time for change. And the plants are changing around us. The weather is changing. How can we change an egg? Simply put food coloring, a little bit of vinegar, and some water in a cup. Then you can create the most beautiful colors on your Easter egg. Now, from our family to yours, have a wonderful Easter and welcome to spring. Okay, let's talk bunnies. They're cute and they're fuzzy. I love their long ears. But bunnies are a responsibility. We have to make sure we're taking care of our pets. So let's just consider what a bunny might need. Of course, as a mammal, it needs food, water, and shelter, and your love. You can provide lots of love for your bunny by petting him. But the best kind of love you can give is by giving him daily feeding, making sure he has clean water every day and a clean shelter so your bunny has a safe place to nap when it needs a rest. Be patient with your animal and it will be patient with you. ABCs. Now sing with me.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Hey, there's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Now your turn. Today is... Hi there. Let's find out the day of the week. Today is Monday. Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. And tomorrow, tomorrow's going to be Tuesday.
Hey guys, let's count. There are 12 numbers on the clock for us to focus on. 1 to 12. So we can't count 12 on our hands. So let's do it together with the clock. Go find your clock. Here we go. We're going to count from 1 to 12, okay? We'll be little cuckoo clocks. Tick, tock, tick, tock. Now I'm chiming 1 o'clock. Tick, tock, tick, tock. Now I'm chiming 1 o'clock. Can you find the 1? That's right. There it is. Okay. Tick, tock, tick, tock. I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick, tock, tick, tock. Now I'm chiming 2 o'clock. Find the 2. Good job. Let's do another one. Here we go. Tick, tock, tick, tock. I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick, tock, tick, tock. Now I'm chiming 3 o'clock. Find the 3. Good job. Tick, tock, tick, tock. I'm a little cuckoo clock. Tick, tock, tick, tock. Now I'm chiming 4 o'clock. Find the 4. Tick, tock, tick, tock. I'm a little cuckoo clock. Oh, tick, tock, tick, tock. Now I'm chiming 5 o'clock. Find the 5. Yes, there it is at the bottom. Good. Tick, tock, tock. I'm a little cuckoo clock. Oh, tick, tock, tock. Now I'm chiming 6 o'clock. 6. There it is. Right at the bottom, underneath 12. Tick tock, tick tock. I'm a little cuckoo clocko. Tick tock, tick tock. Now I'm chiming 7 o'clock. 7. Find the 7. Good. It kind of looks like an L, doesn't it? Tick tock, tick tock. I'm a little cuckoo clocko. Tick tock, tick tock. Now I'm chiming 8 o'clock. 8. Find the 8 with the arrow. Tick tock, tick tock. I'm a little cuckoo clocko. Tick tock, tick tock. Now I'm chiming 9 o'clock. Tick, tick, tick. There it is. On the left. Good. Let's do 10. Tick tock, tick tock. I'm a little cuckoo clocko. Tick tock, tick tock. Now I'm chiming 10 o'clock. Can you find the 10? That's right. Point to the 10. 1 and a 0. Tick tock, tick tock. I'm a little cuckoo clocko. Tick tock, tick tock. Now I'm chiming 11 o'clock. 11. Tick tock, tick tock. I'm a little cuckoo clocko. Tick tock, tick tock. Now I'm chiming 12 o'clock. You did it! You found all the numbers of our clock.
Anything can be music.
Dum, 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 dum. It's craft time. Hey, let's get crafty today. Hello, spring. Spring is about bunnies and chicks and flowers and eggs. Let's find out together a little bit more about how we can have fun during this time. In the month of April, we get to have a egg hunt. And it's really important to make sure you fill your eggs with yummy goodies. And then when you open them up, we might have a fun time finding what's inside. Hey, can you find some eggs at your house? And tell me, what is inside? Hey, let's play hide go seek together. Are you ready? Okay, take your eggs and go put them all around your house or your yard. And let's see if we can find them and put them together. What's inside the eggs? Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. The best part is you get to put them all in your basket. At the end, when you open up the eggs, there might be a surprise. I love surprises. They're so much fun. Sometimes in our eggs, there's chocolate or stamps or tattoos or stickers. Oh, what's going to come next? Easter is so much fun.
Show and tell. I like to hear about show and have a wonderful week.